Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Jelena, and today I'm going to show you my 3 slimes that I bought. Not made, bought. So, yeah. I bought it at a park. I have no idea where I bought it because my dad made it as a surprise for me. So yeah, they came out super sticky, so I put activator in it and it looks way more better. So it feels better. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first slime is this Kawaii Llama slime. It's an ice cream butter slime with a charm inside. Number 7. I just call it El Llama slime because there's double L's in it. And I don't know what the double L's, but I know the second L is for llama, so I just say El Llama. Here's the ice cream slime. And let me show you the charm. I saw the charm as a flower. When I first got it, I found it, and I thought it was dirt because I didn't read the thing, because I didn't know there was like a message under it until I opened the slime. I opened the slime and I saw this white thing in it, and then I was like, how did I get it out? So I just flipped it around and I saw this. So here it is. It's sticking to the ice cream slime. Here it is. It's so cute. And I'm gonna put it back inside the slime. And the foam beads just come out, but it's fine because I can put them back in. Maybe it's because I put the activator in it, and then it turned, and then like, maybe no, because one time I took all of the foam beads out, and then I put it in this container, and I put it back in, and then it just made it like that. So maybe it's because of that. Because when I got it, all the foam beads weren't getting out. They were like stuck to the slime. So yeah, this is ice cream slime. It's brown, like chocolate ice cream, and I think the sprinkles are representing, I think the foam beads and the glitter inside are representing the sprinkles. I have no idea because I do not know what are these for. So yeah, I just know they're representing the sprinkles. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back in. It's small. I love these slimes, but the lid is just broke. It's broken, as you can see. So because see, and then I take this thing off, and I need to take this off too. So, well, that's a good thing because if I lose this part of it, then I will still have something to cover it, and it's this. So maybe that's a good thing. Okay, time for the next slime. The next slime is another El Llama Kawaii El Llama slime. It is El Llama Galaxy Butter Slime with glitters in it, and it's number 7 once again. It's not actually butter slime. It's like I think this is a normal slime. But the bubbles are so good. Here, let me show you. Everybody's posting videos right this time. Like, the bubbles are so good. So I'm just gonna take this part and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna swirl it. Oh wow, the bubbles are so good. it's kind of hard. It's like breaks because I put too much activator in, so I think that's why. Because it didn't come it didn't come like this hard. Well, it's kind of stretchy. There was a heart charm in it, but I just took it out because I didn't like it in here. It's because it wasn't galaxy. It was a heart with blue glitters inside. It was sparkly, but it wasn't galaxy. So when we put it back in, and it's the same thing, the lid just falls off. So yeah, on to the next slime, and this is the last slime. This is the third slime. So the third slime is Elwama cereal butter and foam bead slime, and it's number 9. And once again, it's not butter slime. It's crunchy slime, and the lids just fall off again. I have no idea what's happening to those. So it's super small. I have no idea why. It used to be like so giant, like it fits the whole container, but now it doesn't. Wow. This is how big it is. I think it's because of the activator, because whenever I put activator in my slimes, whenever I put activator in my slimes, you know what happens, it just gets smaller. It's crunchy slime, all these little beads inside. I'm going to make a bubble because this slime is super stretchy, and twirl it. This is kind of like clear slime. I have no idea, but I'm thinking that whoever made this slime put white glue in it and then foam beads, and then I think magic clay or magic model clay. I don't even know. I forgot. So. And then put foam beads inside, and then activated it until it got a little sticky. So I had to activate it, and it turned into this. And it does not stick to my hands. Only the black one. It's because it's made out of black paint, I guess. Because when I first played with it, the black was sticking to my hand like so much. So I had to readjust it a little bit, and I had to put activator because it was sticky too, and then it didn't stick to my hand anymore. So yeah, the fixer for slime when it's sticky, you put activator in it. Guys, I didn't even put activator in it. I put contact lens solution, but with no borax. I know, because I can't buy borax. My dad doesn't like it. I can't just go my own, only little. I don't have my own money yet. Well, I do have money, but it's at home, so, and I'm at my meals. Yeah. So how to put it in is I have to take two of the slimes apart, and then I have to put one piece in, and then the other piece in, because if I don't do that, then it will just overflow. So yeah. That's all the slimes for today. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, and comment down below what's your favorite slime type. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you then next